Hey guys, welcome to our channel Porphology. With this video we are starting a Python beginner step-by-step tutorial. In this tutorial series we will learn Python as a programming language and understand how to get started with it. As a software professional, we come across multiple tasks in our day-to-day schedule which we do it manually every time. If you have a basic knowledge of a programming language, it will help you in automating such manual tasks, saving a lot of time which can be utilized to practice or learn different other tools and technologies. In this video, we'll cover the introduction of Python, answer to why one should use Python, different libraries and frameworks available in Python, multiple fields in which Python is useful, and the basic requirements to start with Python programming. If you find our content useful and informative, do like, share and subscribe the channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Python is a high-level object-oriented programming language created by Guido Rossum. Most beginners in the development field prefer Python as one of the first languages to learn because of its simplicity and versatility. It is also well supported by the community and keeps up with increasing popularity. Many large companies use the Python programming language, including NASA, Google, YouTube, and many more. Python is not intended to work in a particular area such as web programming. That is why it is known as multipurpose programming language, because it can be used with web, mobile, desktop, etc. Now, despite many other different programming languages, why you should opt for Python? So the first thing is that it is easy to use and learn. It is an open source language, making it freely usable and distributable even for commercial use. Python offers multiple options for developing graphical user interface. It supports a wide range of libraries and frameworks. Python language can help a lot in automation of tasks, as there are lots of tools and modules available, which makes things much more comfortable. There are many frameworks and libraries available for Python language, such as Matplotlib for plotting charts and graphs, SciPy for engineering applications, science and mathematics, Beautiful Soup for HTML parsing and XML, NumPy for scientific computing, and Django for server-side web development. In addition to these libraries and frameworks, there are a lot of other libraries and frameworks available as well. Few of the many useful applications of Python is that it is used in data science, data mining. It is also useful to create desktop, mobile, and web applications, and also useful in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Apart from these fields, there are many other fields in which Python can be used. The prerequisite to start with Python coding in your machine is that you should have Python installed on your machine and an integrated development environment, for example PyCharm, to begin coding. There are multiple IDEs available for Python programming. Few of them are PyCharm, Spyder, Atom, Jupyter, and VB-Studio. IDEs are basically a coding tool which allows you to write, test, and debug your code in an easier way. That's it about Python in this video. I hope this video gave you a basic summary about Python. In our next video, we'll see how to download and install Python and PyCharm in your laptop. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching.